Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in a quite huge manner. Velo, all things considered, has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005 in an unpretentious manner. Velo's EMA10, for the most part, shows a kind of descending pattern. By and large, in spite of mainstream thinking, Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. 18 August 2023. In this article we will especially walk you through Velo cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly. Essentially got clarification on some things, facts, what in every practical sense is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Velo, especially is Velo and in every practical sense, why is interest in an unobtrusive manner, Velo support and opposition levels and so on, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Yet, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Velo specialized investigation, sort of allowed us for the most part, to discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations, showing that Velo truly has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005, or so they truly thought. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,053,100,425,532, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The very complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $71,015,534,287. So Velo's EMA10, by and large, shows a by and large descending pattern. By and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 48.22% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they in every way that really matters thought, which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,100.98 level after a decay of 8.17%, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value decline of 6.02%, coming to $1,668.26 during the past 24 hours, so 18 August 2023. In this article we will by and large walk you through Velo cost examination for now, or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and really attempt to answer these habitually for the most part clarified pressing issues, facts. What fundamentally is in every practical sense, transient cost expectation for Velo, certainly is Velo a very wise interest in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $217.42 following a value change of 5.26% within a similar time period, showing how market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,053,100,425,532 in a huge manner. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 13.42, and at present exchanging at 51 cents, so Velo's EMA10 really shows an especially descending pattern, or so they fundamentally thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. These occasions really demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a kind of descending heading for essentially present moment, or so they especially thought. As of now, a genuinely broad, quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to, for the most part, recognize truly key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in an in every way that really matters enormous way. Support truly is a level at which purchasers especially become kind of more truly dynamic, and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any fundamentally further in a sort of significant manner. Similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which dealers sort of become move in every practical sense, dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Velo's EMA10 essentially shows an especially descending pattern in an especially significant manner. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution as per value examination market file. Velo essentially is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743. Sort of additional appearance. How Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every way that really matters are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally distinguish most certainly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in an unpretentious way. However, Velo by and large has a value decline of 5.82% in the fundamentally last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week with an essentially complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars in an essentially huge manner. Velo Value Examination Velo Cost Investigation for 18 August 2023. Inside a sort of day-to-day time span in a real sense, made sense of underneath in an especially large manner. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving sort of normal combination and disparity, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving extremely normal, EMA. 2 For the most part dissect the future development of the Velo.The by and large relative strength file. RSI demonstrates that the Velo coin for the most part is in oversold stage, as RSI especially is at 30, essentially further appearance. How we utilize genuinely relative strength index RSI, moving sort of normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including genuinely basic moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and remarkable moving all things considered, normal, EMA. 2 In every way that really matters. Break down the future development of the Velo.The especially relative strength record. RSI shows that the Velo coin generally is an oversold stage, as RSI sort of is at 30. The Velo United States dollar moving genuinely normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, marker especially is showing a truly present moment, especially sell especially signal, as the MACD line in a real sense is moving underneath, kind of sign line which really implies, generally bears for the most part are ruling on the lookout, or so they in every practical sense thought. While Velo's Williams %R pointer really is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and by and large momentary pattern, by and large inversion in every practical sense, is conceivable. So Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized markers used to for the most part recognize fundamentally key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in a quite enormous way. Bulls can move the market in vertical bearing, showing that Bitcoin shares 48.22% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Velo in every practical sense is moving in